Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's take in this video. I will talk about Google 3D animals as the lockdown going all over our country. So it's a little bit boring for us to stay at home. So here's a fun thing you can do in this situation. It is Google 3D animals, and to access this, you have to go to the Google application, and I will show you how it works. So let's get started. And here you can see. First, I'll go to the Google application and I'll show you step by step how you can do this, and it's a very funny thing and you can do it easily. Okay, so here is the Google application. First search tiger, and then you have to follow my steps and you can do it on your own. Here you can see now you have to tap on view in 3D. Then you have to tap on view in your space. Now here you can see you can capture it and you can customize it as your own, and it is a very fun thing. I will recommend you to try this on your phone. Now here is a list of supported devices where this feature is supported, and I am currently using Realme 3 Pro to use this, and it is available in Realme 3 Pro. And I think if you want to use this feature, you need Android 10 and above. Okay, but I will recommend you to use this in your device so that you can sure about this feature is available in your device or not. Now here are the list of supported animals.